Students, I am Shalja Thakur is going to explain one of the most famous poem, Paper Boats, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Students, let's recall your childhood days when you and your creative mind and imaginative mind thinks something magical. Your innocence and your creative ideas enable you to invent some joyful games or any other creative activities. Similarly, in this poem, the poet recalls his childhood days. Now, let's read the poem and see where the magical mind of the poet takes us. Day by day, I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big black letters, I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. Students, in these lines, the poet says that daily he floats the paper boats in the running water by writing his name and the name of his village in big black letters. He does this with the hope that someone in a strange land would find his boats and take them, and that person would come to know about the poet and who the poet is. I load my little boats with surely flower from our garden and hope that these bloom of the dawn will be carried safely to the land in the night. In these lines, the poet imagines that he would load his boat with beautiful surely flowers in the hope that the flowers which bloom in the early morning will be carried safely to the land during the night. I launch my paper boats and look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting the white bulging sails. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sent them down the air to race with my boats. In these lines, the poet as a child explains while floating the paper boats, the poet looks up in the sky. He saw that the clouds are bulging out. Students, here the word bulging means the clouds are full of water. He imagines that some of his friends has sent these white clouds down to the earth in form of rain so that they can compete with his paper boats. Students, see the imagination of the child where it takes us. He is looking up in the sky and he is feeling that the clouds which are bulging with water will fall as a rain and they will compete with his paper boats. Next, when night comes, I bury my face in my arms and dream that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them and are lading their baskets full of dreams. In these lines, the poet explains that now it is the night time and the child is tired. While lying on the bed, he covers his face with his arms and again dreams about his paper boats. He dreams that still his paper boats are sailing under the midnight stars. The child dreams that fairies are sailing in his paper boats and these angels have baskets which are full of dreams. Students, we all know that a paper boat can't sail so long in water, but the innocent mind of the child is thinking that from the morning till night, his paper boats are still floating in the water and he is keeping on dreaming different ideas and different things. Firstly, in the first paragraph, he was dreaming that he has written big black letters his name, the name of his village, and some people will find his paper boats and they will come to know that who the child is, who is the poet. In second paragraph, he is imagining that he has filled his paper boats with beautiful small shuli flowers, and these shuli flowers will bloom and they will be sailed from morning till night. In the third part, we saw the child is imagining that the clouds are full of water and they are going to be fall down in the form of rain, and they are competing with his paper boats. In the fourth paragraph, again the child imagines that his boats are still sailing in the midnight and his boat is filled with beautiful baskets of dreams, and the fairies and the angels are taking these baskets of dream. So students, this poem tells us how the child imagines the world of playfulness and fun, and it gives the message to spread peace, love and joy in the universe. Students, hope you all enjoyed reading the poem. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and have a nice day.